Welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through everything new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So first up, we have more new Scenario. I'm not sure if they're going to be available online yet. If they are, they'll be linked, and if not, when they do pop up, I'll let you know. But we have this sleeveless sweater. It has that pointel trim on the sides, around the neckline, relaxed fit with the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back in this white and navy stripe, and they're $17.98. Also new from Scenario is this flutter sleeve sweater. This one has that crew neckline, the pointel double tier ribbed through the front and the back in the gray. Also comes in the rust, and they're $17.98. T-shirt dresses from Scenario. These have that crew neckline. It's almost like a French terry, but like a cotton. Has the side seam, relaxed fit with pockets that seam fit through the back. In the fuchsia, also comes in black, and they're $19.98. So new long sleeve dresses from Scenario. This has that split V elastic belt to bring it in. Seam fit through the back in the leaves. Also comes in that blue. Did we see that last time? Those are $19.98. New tees from Scenario. These have that crew neckline, the ruching, relaxed fit through the front and the back. In the blue, there's white and that fuchsia color, and they're $9.98. So new pointel sweater from Scenario. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, open knit with the ruffled bottom in the ivory. Also comes in the brown, and they're $18.98. New corduroy skirts from Scenario. These have the button zip pocket, seam fit through the front and the back, and the skirts are, they don't have a price. So much here. I can't believe they don't have any of this online. I hope they have it online, but these are new from Scenario. They have the crew neckline, waffled side seam, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom in the burgundy. They also have brown, white, and blue, and they are $14.98. So new V-necks from Scenario. These are almost like a French terry stretchy material, drop sleeve, relaxed fit in the blue stripe, also in that white and black, and they're $17.98. New ribbed long sleeves from Scenario. These have that V neckline fitted through the front and the back. Also has this little studded detail on the back. In the green, also in the beige, and they are $19.98. New puff sleeve tops from Scenario. These have that elastic side seam, oversized puff sleeve, elastic at the bottom. In the brown, also in that navy paisley, and they are $14.98. So cardigans from Scenario. These have a crew neckline, gold buttons, the two front pockets relaxed through the wrists, and they're $27.98. Slim fit cardigans from Scenario. These have the crew neckline, smaller buttons fitted through the wrists, same fit through the back, in the brown ivory, and they're $22.98. And then they have gold buttons without that ribbed material in this leopard, and they're also $22.98. New pointel front tie sweaters from Scenario. These are almost like a textured, has the ruffled trim on the wrist, and then also at the bottom in the brown, also in ivory, and they're $17.98. Long skirts from Scenario. So these have the button zip slit in the middle, mini length, and I think they're $19.98. Henley tee from Scenario. This has the plunging neckline, the tortoise buttons, puff sleeve detail, really good length, and they're $14.98. The material on this is really nice. I know I had a couple comments about their quality, but that is 57% cotton, 39 modal, 4% spandex. I can't go through everything. I know I usually get comments like that. The video will be so long. And this Walmart's very busy, so I have to get out of everybody's way. That tee also comes in pink. There's an olivey, brown, green, blue, and red. Also new cardigans from Scenario. These have that crew neckline, tortoise button, the smaller ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom in the green, also in ivory, and they're $19.98. New drop tier dresses from Scenario. These have the V neckline flutter sleeve. I think we might have saw this one. Paisley leopard, and they are $24.98. Flutter sleeve sweater from Scenario. So this has the higher neckline, scallop trim, that little tie detail, longer length in the blue, also in the white. I know some people are going to be happy that we have some longer shirts now because a lot of this is a little longer, and they are $18.98. And down blouse from Scenario. It has the smaller collar, full button, 2 flat pocket with the button on the wrist, good length through the front and the back, and they are $19.98, but it also has good length. Colors in the Scenario sweater. So these have that crew neckline, the tortoise buttons, ribbed wrist, red, the beige, black, and the navy and burgundy stripe, and they're $17.98. Dresses from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap V neckline with the little ruffled trim. Also has that same bottom in the pink. Plaid also comes in the blue, and they are $16.98. No Lee pencil skirt. So this is their Ponte material, elastic waistband, soft and stretchy with that same detailing. No Scenario sweater. This has that high neckline, the Henley buttons, the little ruching through the sleeve, that same kind of contrast, and these are $19.98. So no Fit and Flare poplin skirt from Scenario. This has the little tie, that seam in the brown, also in the blue, and they are $22.98. Peplum top from Scenario. This has the V neckline, the little ties, elastic puff sleeve, same fit through the back, and they're $19.98. You know that they have this jacket online, so if you're interested in this one, I'll have it linked. They have that crew neckline, the gold medallion buttons, 2 front pockets, the button on the wrist, and these are $29.98. So new from Scenario is this denim leopard dress. Has the collar, Henley buttons, 2 flat pockets, fit and flares out, same fit through the back, and they're $29.98. New drop tier dress from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, full button, that drop tier puff sleeve in the pink with the orange, and then they also have blue with the green, and they are $28. Snakeskin jeans from the Devil Wears Prada line. Snakeskin is huge for fall this year. I'm seeing it everywhere, and also in all of like the trending things. So they have the snakeskin and then also the blue denim. They're both the same style. It says barrel jean. Denim skirt from Free Assembly. So this has the seaming at the top. It's fit with the pleats. Midi length. And these are $32. Mock neck sweaters from Scoop. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless, the little peplum at the bottom. In this beige, they also have the black, and they're $26. Oxy graphic tees. These have that crew neckline, the raw hem, Nirvana and Sublime, and they are $9.98. Studded sweatpants from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, soft fleece, side pocket, wide flowy leg. In the charcoal also come, and they are $16.98. Also have the new tunic tees, also new from Time and True, so maybe I'm jumping the gun. Oh wait, no, they're on sale. This one isn't on sale. These are $10, regularly $12.98. So maybe we just didn't get these at mine. I'm at a different Walmart today. So blue, black, and white, and then the blue stripe. Flowy track pants with the satin trim from Avia. These have the satin elastic waistband, windbreaker material, flowy with that satin stripe. In the taupe, there's green, brown, and black, and they are $20. New colors in this fold over pant from Athletic Works. This has that rib top, super soft buttery flare in the new colors. So pink, purple, green, and brown. I think we saw 2 of the 4. I don't really remember which ones, and those are $16.98. Athletic Works set. So this has that mock zip up. It's a soft fleece, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, shorter fit through the front and the back. Comes in the eggplant. There's this beige, pink, has that kind of heathered look. $20.98. And then the pants to match have the elastic waistband. They are wide leg, the seaming. and they're also $20.98. Athletic Works double tank. So this has that scoop neckline, ribs, soft, stretchy through the front and the back. They have the purple with the blue. I don't think I see any other colors. Oh, I think these tops match back to the pants. So Avia, the soft sculpt, has the crew neckline, fitted through the wrist, relaxed to the front and the back. It looks like they have most of the colors. The only different one is the ivory for the taupe. And the long sleeves are, doesn't say, I think 14. Cute are these new sets. So from Avia, open front ribbed side seam, oversized ribbed wrist with the thumb hole. Same fit through the back, in the ivory, also in the black, and they're 25, and then they have the shorts to match. So pull on the dolphin hem in the beige, also in the black, but that's like definitely my style. Cute turn sky has the V neckline, French terry drop sleeve with the banded wrist. I'm a medium. I think I would get this just to wear with leggings for like an oversized. In the brown, the periwinkle. I love that color. And they have green and they're $22.98. No nightgowns from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, the lace trim tiers through the front and the back. In this blueprint, they also have a strawberry pajama sets from No Boundaries. So these have the Henley round top with the lettuce trim. Pants are pull-on, wide and flowy. They have the pancakes. There's a pretzels and donuts, croissants, the little dogs. And the two pieces are $19.98. Oh, there's one other one here. Little bears with honey. The new Halloween onesie in the pajamas. So they have stitch, elastic. These are a little bit of elastic at the bottom with the bats. There's Friday the 13th with the mask and Hello Kitty, and these are $22.98. New scarves from Scenario. We have really good color combos. I like these because when I'm doing outfits, it's easier to put things together with all the colors. So these, they have this color blue, the black paisley, leopard. I love that black with the burgundy red. We don't have no prices again. Thinner scarf with the red is really cute. The bandana print is huge right now. I'm going into fall. And then this one has the little fringe, $14.98 with the blue bandana from Scenario. And then they also have this burgundy with the blue. Little ponchos from Scenario, like cape style with the fringe in the eggplant or purple. There's brown, black. What's the leopard thing? This year feels weird this fall, these clothes. Is it just me? Like how they switch the brand and everything? I don't know, it feels funny. They have the little side tie thing. Poncho, burgundy and black. New Scenario purses. So these have that crossbody snap closure, $19.98. These are really soft. They have a faux suede, a blue faux suede, and a burgundy. And then the little, these are cute, the little bucket. In the leopard, there's black. And oh, that crossbody comes in green. Or this one's different. Yeah, that one's a little different. It's a little bigger. $24.98 for that one. And then they have a Coach dupe. The Brooklyn, kind of bigger. Maybe it's something else. Leopard and green. Those are $26.98. New belts, No Boundaries has this one, big studded one. This one. I don't see prices. And also new from Scenario is this woven bag. So they have brown and black, and they are $39.98. Little leopard hat, berets, burgundy black, suede fedoras from Scenario. This is all Scenario, everything that I showed over here. Bags from US Polo. These have the snap closure, so it looks like green. This canvas material, they're on sale $25 or $15. Totes from US Polo, those are $27 or $36. in the black and that gray color. Commented, I don't mean to laugh, but someone commented, rumor has it Scenario's taken Time and True spot. I've said this, okay? So obviously you don't watch my channel. But look, all the new Scenario jewelry. And we have like no Time and True left in the Time and True section. So I was right, but I know rumor has it. But I was definitely ahead of the rumor because I'm in here every day. It's a couple Halloween accessories. The little Yorkies with the ghost costume. The pumpkins. The little skeleton hands. Bows. Clips. These are all $5. Spooky tee. These are baby tees, so they're going to be really fitted. Oh, they have extra large, so that's a 18. So it'll fit a woman's extra large, but it's not too small. So the cardigans are $16.98 and the tees are $6.98. Cute too. I always like to get me and my daughter like matching ones. So when we go to like Disney or one of the theme parks, we do pictures. Kind of cute, but I don't even think my daughter knows who Garfield is. This is in the kids. So women, kids medium 10, but it looks big. I think I could fit in that. And they have the little dog too from Garfield. Daughter had me buy this. Like back to school, we were shopping for things. She got some clothes. This is $10.98. I said, oh no, I'm not buying that for $10.98. That is just crazy to me. I don't know. That looks like it's from the dollar store to me. Or maybe 3, 4, 5 I would do, but 10 no. They're cute from Scenario, little scrunchy slingbacks. They have the pointed toe, kitten heel, and they're $26.98. New Croc flats from Scenario. They have the square toe, the bow. Actually, they have a little bit of a heel, and they're $24.98. Slippers from Paws. Oh my God, they're $45. Oh my goodness. Are they kidding me? $45. They're not even a micro suede. They're not even the real suede anymore. I'm really mad at Walmart. I'm sorry. I can't. How pretty these boots are for men. NYC. They have the pointed toe. I don't know if you can see with the lighting, but look at how pretty. Oh, they have so. Let me put it down. I don't think you have. I think you have to see it in person to see. Like, see how rich that color is. These are $50, which I think is nuts, but. You like them or love them and you don't get them, then they're probably going to be here. Or maybe they will, you don't know. Sometimes they stay, sometimes they sell out. And then these are also new from Madden NYC. They have the pointed toe, a little chunkier heel. They did kind of like that designer look with the gold hardware. And those are also $50. And the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.